In my own mental health journey, and when I suffered with my own mental health, especially as a young adult and a teenager, the thing that really helped me was having a cuppa with a mate and just sharing my story over a cup of chai. I love making tea. I'm a tea addict. It's something I do really well. But what I love about tea is sharing it with someone. And often family and friends would come over, I'll make a cup, and it kind of signified that this was the time we could talk about real stuff that mattered, in this safe environment with this warm aromas coming around us. And this is what my company, Mix Chai, does. It's my nickname, Mix, and I wanted to extend that feeling to everyone who has a cup of my chai to say, I've got your back, I hear you, I know what you've been through, I've felt alone too, this is a place to share stories. So we want to change this narrative in suicide, and we're doing that through our physical cups of tea, which signify that this is a place for life stories, but we're also giving 50% of our profit to suicide preventions working in this space.